From the title of the video, you know that it's Versace handbag. I'm so excited to unbox this, and this came actually from Farfetch. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today is so exciting unboxing. This is actually the first handbag of this year unboxing on my channel, and this is Versace. You know, my very first larger handbag was Versace years ago. I sold that handbag a while ago, and obviously it was much bigger than this one, but this season they came up with this such a cute mini La Medusa handbag, and I was trying to see if there is any review or anything on the YouTube or even on the Instagram, and I couldn't find anything. So in any case, if any of you considering this handbag for this season, because it's totally brand new, this spring summer 2022, so please keep watching. I will show to you what fits inside, etc, etc. So first and most, I ordered this from Farfetch. And when it comes to Farfetch, there is a positive things and I would say negative. For Canadian positives, that quite often their price already includes everything, including taxes, and the price pretty much is identical as in any, you know, Canadian website, I would say Versace or any other brand. So in this case, especially in Toronto, we have 13% taxes. You're already saving at least 13%, but if there is any extra promotion, then you're saving even more. This one came in this kind of like almost like a paper bag, I would say, naming this boutique where it came from. It came in Versace dust bag, and ta-da! This is such a cutie. So first let me just remove everything. So it comes with this felt, some inserts. So this is the strap, and it looks like it's let me see if I have to remove it. Okay, that's how the straps looks like. I will show it to you a little bit closer. So I hope it will focus. It has Versace writing. Let me just make sure that it's in focus. So it's made of pebble leather. It has very substantial you know, top handle, Medusa head right there. It's magnetic closure. It has 3 slots of for the credit cards. I think it's maybe some ID card. So, and that's how it looks like inside. The outside, it's calf skin. You can see kind of pebble style calf skin, but inside it's Napa leather, so it's very soft, and it's actually done quite well. So let me try to attach that shoulder strap and we'll show it to you. So the shoulder strap goes from these 2 loops inside, just kind of pulling like that. So, and then it has several adjustable loops, so just put through the loops, and that's how it looks like when it's completely, you know, strapped to this shoulder strap. So it's a little bit stiff, though the leather is fairly soft. So that's how it looks like. So there you go guys, in full glory. Let me just move this somewhere to the back. That's how it looks like. Let me show you that, for you to give an idea about a size of this handbag. Here is just a second. just to give a comparison of the size of this handbag, so here is my Chanel mini square and this is Versace. You can see that it's slightly smaller comparing to Chanel, and it's definitely not as wide, but it still has quite nice capacity. So let me actually take the measurements. So Chanel mini square, 6.5 inches by 5 inches by 3 inches. 6.5 by 5 by 3 inches. So this little cutie, oh, it's so light actually. This little cutie. Obviously, if I'm gonna do at the bottom over here, it's a little bit, because it has kind of roundish corners, a little bit less. But on the widest part is just 6 inches. So on the widest part, let me just actually show it to you. So on the widest part, it's 6 inches. In height, it's also about 5 inches. And in depth, it's about 2.5 inches. So it's a little bit smaller. It's 6 by 5 by 2.5. So it's definitely a little bit smaller. Here is the closer look. Absolutely gorgeous stitching, piping, and I think it's very, very cute. The only concern I have is, let's say, when I'm gonna wear it and opening this handbag, how this handle gonna be poking me inside, like, to my rib. And let me try it on. Let's say if I'm opening, yeah, it's definitely poking a little bit, so you kind of have to be mindful about that. But that's about it. So it's definitely the cutest things ever. I absolutely love it. When I was considering this handbag actually a while ago, on the Farfetch and on the website, I saw only patent leather. It's kind of like shiny, and that's what somewhat stopping me. And then there is very, very cute options, almost kind of blue turquoise, when everything is matching. The top handle and the Medusa is also matching. The only one thing I dislike, let's say when they have matching top and matching Medusa, this buckle, they still keep it in the gold. It would be really nice if it's like everything is matching. So that's why I was kind of decided to go with the black, and then black obviously classic and goes with everything. So so far I saw there is kind of gold color on the website, black. This is the new one. It's black pebble leather, and I absolutely love it. Love all the corners. There is a yellow and turquoise color. Absolutely love it. The price is absolutely phenomenal. In Canadian dollars, it's $17.50. As I said, at Chanel or even Louis Vuitton, you barely can buy a small SLG for that price, not a handbag. And this handbag, as I said, it's fully leather lined, and the stitching and everything, guys, honestly, it's absolute perfection. And also there was some discounts available on the Farfetch, and I got also an extra 15% discount, and I'm so glad. So it was like real steal getting this handbag. But I definitely want to know your opinion. What do you think of this little cutie? Do you like it or not? Because I did also a poll on my Instagram asking if you guys like this handbag, and overwhelming number of people say no. Nobody likes this handbag, with a few exceptions, and I really appreciate those of you who support me on getting this handbag. nevertheless, it's definitely something new, something different, something unique, and I'm so happy that, like, you know, Versace coming up with the new design and kind of you know, reinventing themselves. They're getting more and more popular, and that's really nice, because I would say Versace is one of the oldest houses, and I think they deserve recognition because their quality is quite nice. I mean, it's not everybody taste, like, you know, Versace, because they could be a little bit loud in the design, but nevertheless, they're absolutely phenomenal. So let me show you what fits inside this handbag. So first and most, my cell phone, and my cell phone is iPhone 12. Not a plus, so it's just a standard size iPhone 12 with a case. So, and it's somewhat fits, you can see it somewhat fits. I can put also full-size Louis Vuitton wallet. You can see cell phone, full-size Louis Vuitton wallet. Let me see if my keys, so in this case I'm using my Louis Vuitton key pouch, key clay, because lately I switched to my Louis Vuitton. I love my Chanel, but my Chanel somewhat puffy, you know, like in size, and especially with the smaller handbags, it could be a little bit problematic. So this is Louis Vuitton pouch. Let me see if I'm gonna put, let's say, some kind of glasses on top. Will I be able to close? Wow, I still be able to close. This handbag is really fits a lot. It's actually quite nice. I'm a bit surprised, to be honest. I'm a bit surprised. And on the side, if you want, you can put even like sanitizer or lipstick, anything. If you prefer not to use the wallet, because this is, I would consider full-size wallet, if you just using a card holder, it will fit easily, like, you know, key, cell phone, card holder, lipstick, even the glasses will go on top. So this is, guys, my unboxing for this absolute cutie. I want to know your opinion, what you think of this cutie. Should I keep it or not? Because I received so many like, no, we don't like it, we don't like it. Please let me know, do you like this handbag after I actually open? So please put all your comments below. So that's about it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.